This is a layout file from SketchUp Pro. It converts the 3D model into 2D presentation sheets. You need the layout viewer to see the pages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the blueprints. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful layout file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. The layout file extension is associated with SketchUp Layout, a companion application to SketchUp Pro. Layout is used for creating professional quality presentations and documentation from SketchUp models. It allows users to arrange and annotate 3D models, add dimensions, text, and other graphical elements to create detailed construction documents, presentations, and scaled drawings. Layout files store information about the arrangement of SketchUp models, vector graphics, and text elements within a document. They reference the original SketchUp.skp files, allowing for dynamic updates when the 3D model is modified. Layout supports various page sizes, templates, and output formats, making it a versatile tool for communicating design ideas and technical specifications. The most common market-leading program for layout is SketchUp Layout from Trimble Navigation. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows cannot interpret advanced layout features, so opening these files requires page layout tools. Open the context menu by right-clicking your layout file and choosing Open With. Try SketchUp Layout first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If you still cannot open your layout file, that is okay. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, use Logic Studio. Open the file using Apple Logic Studio, the required application for the music production project. Next, check dependencies. Ensure all associated audio clips and media files referenced by the project are present in the same location. Finally, use backup. Look for the Project Backups folder inside the session directory and try restoring an older copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.